Hello, and welcome to the Lavelle Time Works YouTube channel. Lavelle Time Works is a business I started in 2023, and with over 10 years experience, I started this company with the goal of offering sales, repair, and maintenance of wristwatches. Starting a YouTube channel for Lavelle Time Works allows me to reach an audience I can engage with, answer questions for, show watches to, and hopefully develop a customer base from. What you can expect on this channel will be videos of watches showing the insides, some of the processes, shorts just showing watches running that I finish, kind of an update for customers, also updates on the business, show off some of the tools I use, and eventually live streams of the actual process of the repair. I can't wait to show that all out for you, but I can also show other stuff if you have questions. I can hopefully answer those for you. Or if you want to see something a little more in detail, I can do that for you too. If you are on the market for a watch, or if you need one fixed, maybe you're looking for some custom work, let me know. Leave a comment down below or reach out to my email and I will get back to you when I can. Thank you so much for watching this short introductory video explaining Lavelle Time Works, the mission statement, and what this channel is going to be. I'm looking forward to it. It's exciting times, and I hope you can join me on this ride. Thank you so much again, and have a nice day.